Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up. So Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. For today's episode, I'm going to review a new pair of Adidas sneakers that combines two of their best technology. So this is a sneaker that has both bounce and boost in the midsole. So it's a very unique shoe. It's a very different take on your traditional Adidas lifestyle running sneaker, and I'm excited to try it out. But before that, I just want to bring you guys along with me because I will be turning over a couple of tablets as well as a check to the PLDT Smart Foundation to help with efforts in Catanduanes. And I'm documenting this in the hopes of trying to get more of you to do the same. So magtulungan po tayo. Marami pong tinamaan talaga at nahirapan dahil doon sa dumaan na bagyo. So if you have extra, if you are in excess, if you are comfortable, you are called to give. Okay, so we'll do the turnover. They're actually downstairs. I'll give the tablets, I'll give the check, and then we'll get to the sneaker review. And again, to everybody watching today, if you feel a tug at your heart, if you feel that somebody may bumubulong sa inyo na kailangan nyo tumulong, malamang sa malamang Diyos yun. So kung kaya nyong tumulong at kaya nyong mag-bless ng others, this is the time to do so. So with that said, let's go! Hey guys, so this is our mini donation. So we have the Cherry Mobile tablets over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm also cutting them a check. This one is for, well, a considerable amount of money. I won't show it now, but it is a lot, and it is something that's taken from the recent, this sneaker auction that we did. So to everybody who bought from the Brat Pack auction, maraming salamat sa inyo, nakatulong po tayo. So baba na natin siya. Okay, so we just donated the check and the shoe. So maraming salamat again. Hey, you know, there's one thing better than making money. It's sharing it to those in need. Let's go. Now, before we get started with the sneaker review and unboxing, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. You know, their necklace is actually inside this, and I'll unbox it in a separate episode. Now, Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia. They have bracelets, they have necklaces. This is currently one of my new favorite bracelets that they have, which is a white beaded marble bracelet. If you guys want to check them out, I will link down below to their website. Check out the accessories to make your style pop a little bit more and to elevate it so that you don't look the same as everybody else. Now, the great news is they're having their holiday sale, so you get automatic 20% discount if you click the link down below, and if you use the code Carlo on checkout, you get an additional 10% off. So if you guys are looking for accessories to buy this Christmas, check them out. Rose Gold and Black, the link can be found down below. Now, as you guys know, Rose Gold and Black has been a sponsor of this channel for a while now, and I just want you to know that I will be donating half of everything that they'll be paying me for the month of November to help with our current fundraising drive to help with rehabilitation and relief operations in areas badly hit by the recent storm. So thank you, Rose Gold and Black, for the support. I appreciate you guys. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, let's get to the sneaker review. So this, let me just check the name so I say it properly because it's kind of long. So this is the Adidas X9000 L3. L3 apparently stands for level 3 because there are sneakers in L1, L2, L3, L4, and like a superior 4D version. And this is the level 3 version of the shoe. From what I've read, it's apparently inspired by gaming culture. So let me read the text. So, high-tech shoes inspired by gaming culture. Gamer or an athlete? The answer is yes, because apparently this shoe blended aspects of the virtual and the actual worlds to create this sneaker. The elements that they use to do that are the shapes on the upper, the edgier, sharper design, and the look. Apparently, the traction that you see here at the outsole is also using some sort of like artificial intelligence or computing thing to give the best type of support for your feet. And overall, that's the thinking behind the X9000 L3 sneaker. Now, what actually makes this fascinating is, apart from the gamer marketing thing, is that it combines two very popular technologies of Adidas. If you take a look at the back, this is using the bounce technology, cushioning technology of Adidas, And if you take a look at the midfoot all the way here until the very end, this is using Boost. So you have bounce and boost in one sneaker. And if you take a look at the outsole, it actually reminds me a lot of the Pulse Boost traction outsole material that they use, the Pulse Boost HD, if I'm not mistaken. And then if you take a look at the upper, you have a knitted design which makes it breathable and flexible, and you have those overlays to give it a semblance of structure and support. Now you're probably thinking, Carlo, it looks like a boring black shoe. Well, there are different designs and different colors. I'll show it somewhere here, and you can just pretty much pick the color that speaks to you and your style and your vibe. The big question is, how is this sneaker on feet? Now I'll give you 3 observations. First, it is not friendly for people with wide feet. I'll tell you that. They have wide and flat feet. The middle part is a bit narrow. The forefoot is a bit narrow. So if you have narrow or normal size feet, you can definitely rock this. If you have wide feet, you might want to check other sneakers out, and we'll cover that in a separate vlog. The second observation that I have is that it wears like a fast running shoe. And when I say a fast running shoe, it doesn't have a lot of cushion. It doesn't have a lot of foam for the midsole so that you would wear it for an extended period of time. Thus the thinking behind the thick boost that you get with the Ultra Boost, or the thick foams that you get with the marathon type of shoes. This one, the bounce at the back is a little bit thin. The boost from the mid to the forefoot is even thinner. So what does that mean? So it is the type of shoe that you would want to wear if you're going to walk fast or you're going to run fast. But if you're looking for like an all-day sneaker that you would wear for like extended hours of time, you're going to clock in thousands and thousands and thousands of steps, and you just want cushioning more than anything else, you're probably better off checking other sneakers. But if you want like a fast, lightweight, running casual sneaker, this is it. According to the website, you can get this for 6,000 pesos, roughly 120 US dollars, which isn't too bad considering the technology, the design, and the look. The third and final observation has a lot to do with the design. So obviously that's a hit or miss depending on your taste, but I love the sharper, feel, the edges, the shapes that's on the upper of the shoe, especially how they did the heel clip, which gives you some sort of like, I don't know, like cybernetic robotic vibe. I don't know kung ako lang nakakuha, no? But yeah, that's the overall feel of the sneaker. So just pick the colors that you guys want. Again, I'll flash colors here, and they sell for 6,000. Not too bad. This is the Adidas X9000 Level 3 high-tech shoes inspired by gaming culture. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you love or hate the shoe, would love to hear from all of you. Okay, that actually wraps up our vlog for today. If you guys enjoyed, brought you along with me when we turned over the cash and the check and the tablets, and we also did like a sneaker review and unboxing with Adidas. And we talked about rose gold and black. And I hope you guys are all having a great week. Ingat po tayo sa Lazada 11/11. Madaming mabibili ngayon. By the way, if you're thinking of buying sneakers, I'll link down below to an article on thisishype.ph talking about some of the sneakers that you can buy on Lazada which are on sale. And with that said, this is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.